Hi there, students. A simulacrum, and plural, simulacra. Okay, end in a. Simulacrums. I would say simulacra. It's from it's a Latin word in itself. Okay, a simulacrum is an image of something, a likeness of something. A statue of something, perhaps, a copy of something. And then we go further than that and say a simulacrum, a vague representation of something, a semblance of something. So it's got a little bit of it. Or you can then go even further, a simulacrum, just a sham, a pretense and nothing more. So, the couple continued to show a simulacrum of marriage to their families, although the marriage was clearly over and they were living apart. Okay, so a mere pretense. Okay, but a simulacrum, an image, a representation, a copy of something. So the Greeks and the Romans were interested in simulacrums or simulacra. For example, Greek statues, when you look at them, they're made to look so that it looks right. But in order to make it look right, you need to make the part that is the lower part, it needs to be smaller than the top. So the top is larger and the bottom is smaller, and this gives you a view so that it looks correctly. It looks correct. It looks right. So, and this is a simulacra. It's simulating reality to the eye. Okay, so a simulacrum, a representation of something. This is a simulacrum of nature. So yes, biochemistry. If you want to make chemical reactions easily, you need to base these on a simulacrum, a copy of nature, with all the difficult parts taken out. Okay, so a simulacrum, a copy, a based on the same thing. So this school is a simulacrum of being in the army. It's a simulacrum of the rules are a simulacrum, a copy of army discipline, not an exact copy, but based on it. So a simulacrum of something. A simulacrum, something that looks like or represents something else. Very often a simulacrum, it looks the same, but it doesn't have the same qualities as the real thing. So a representation, a small scale simulacrum of a building. Yeah, this is something that an architect would make. An unsatisfactory imitation or substitute. So the music that that this pop group produces is a boring simulacrum of of lively soul, rhythm and blues music. Okay, so an unsatisfactory imitation, an unsatisfactory copy, but it can also have a trace of, a simulacrum of, just a little bit of. So the chatbot, Yeah, it's producing a simulacrum of how a human might react. Um, okay, a simulacrum is you're pretending, you're copying, you're showing, but maybe it's not the real thing. Maybe it's just pure pretense and nothing more. Um, the uh, the simulacrum, the life he lives today is just a simulacrum, a bad copy of the life that he lived in his home country. Okay, so an image, an effigy, a likeness, a representation. Simulacrum, simulacra. This is quite formal. I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. So using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And it comes directly from Latin, simulacrum, an image, a copy, from simulo, to simulate, similis, like. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Simulacrum, simulacra, plural.